For this task, you will listen to a passage, then respond to a question based on that listening. You will have 20 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to speak. The task tests your ability to understand the listening passage and accurately express the information in your own words, while also explaining key points from what you've heard. Now, let's begin with a sample task.
Let's discuss social stratification, which refers to the way societies organize people into hierarchical layers. These layers are based on various factors, including wealth, education, occupation, and social status. In most societies, these layers, or strata, lead to differing levels of access to resources, opportunities, and privileges. At the top of the social hierarchy, we find individuals or groups with the most resources. In contrast, those at the bottom have the least. This arrangement often results in social inequality, where individuals from lower strata face significant disadvantages in crucial areas such as education, employment, and healthcare. There are several examples of how societies maintain these divisions, including class systems, caste systems, and race or gender-based stratification. Each of these systems creates distinct barriers that can limit opportunities for certain groups. Social stratification tends to persist over time, but it is important to note that it can change. Factors such as economic shifts, social movements, or changes in government policies can all influence the structure of stratification within a society. Understanding social stratification is essential for addressing inequality and improving access to opportunities for disadvantaged groups. By recognizing how these hierarchies operate, we can better work towards a more equitable society.
In the lecture, the speaker talks about social stratification, which is the way societies divide people into different levels or layers based on factors like wealth, education, or job status. These layers create a hierarchy where some people have more resources and opportunities than others. For example, people in the top levels have better access to things like good education, healthcare, and high-paying jobs, while those at the bottom have fewer chances. This leads to social inequality because the people at the bottom struggle to improve their situation. The speaker also mentions different systems, like class or caste, where these divisions are strong and can last for a long time.